My name is Carlos Peña, Chief Regulatory Officer at the Jacobs Institute. Prior to the Jacobs Institute, I served as the Director of the Office of Neurological and Physical Medicine Devices at the Center for Devices and Radiological Health at the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. I was involved in all aspects of the safety and effectiveness review of neurostimulation, neurodiagnostics, neurosurgical, and physical medicine devices. At the Jacobs Institute, we are pleased to offer three main areas of focus of the Office of Regulatory Services, including regulatory strategic planning, risk analysis, and preparing developers and innovators to engage with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. So if you're an entrepreneur with a vascular or neuromedical device idea for the I2R, services that may be of interest to entrepreneurs include helping determine the FDA oversight for their emerging technologies in the neurospace, identifying the regulatory pathways for your medical device, and best practices for contacting the agency. The JI's goal is to help get safe and effective medical devices to patients sooner. So if you're a startup with a medical device in the prototyping stage, the best first steps include initiating contact with the FDA early. If you think it's too early to contact the agency, that's the best time to contact the agency. Early engagement with FDA can help gain a better understanding of the regulatory landscape and requirements to get your medical product to the marketplace and ultimately to patients. If you're a large medical device company, the best first steps again include initiating contact with the FDA early. Thinking if it's too early to contact the FDA, that's the best time to contact the agency. Early engagement with the FDA can help a better understanding of your regulatory requirements and the best, fastest pathway to market and ultimately to patients. So I continue to be impressed with the intersection of several distinct and valuable disciplines at the JI in combination with the University of Buffalo, Kaleida Health, Gates Vascular Institute, and local and regional partners in Buffalo. It's not often you find so many components localized in one area within the neurospace. So I'm very happy to be part of the GI team and look forward to working with our partners and clients.